All right, guys, here we are, day 4 of our blueprints. Thursday. Yay, ready to go. We got this. All right, hopefully you're in a good, comfortable spot. You're ready to focus. You're sitting up tall, or hey, if you want to stand up for blueprints, you could totally stand up too. All right, here we go. Our theme concept is that some friendships are extra special. Our strategy focus is to question. So we did a lot of questioning yesterday when we read the story, The Surprise Family. And that's always something that you can do as you're reading stories, is kind of stop and question. If you have something that you're wondering about, ask some questions to find out more. Sometimes you can find the answers to your questions while you're reading. Sometimes you might need to look at the pictures, and other times you might need just to talk to like an adult to find out the answer to your question. Our skill is comparing and contrasting. So we did some comparing and contrasting with the mom chicken and the baby ducks, their beaks and their feet, how they were the same and how they were different. Yeah. All right, so let's take a look at that strategy focus. Read it together with me. To question means let's ask some questions to find out more. My question is blank. So when we want to find out more, we ask a question. All right, here we go. Today we are on our sounds. So here we go. First word. P, o, a, t. S, oi, ol. T, ache. Ike. P, o, a. Good job. All right, taking a look at our affix review. We should be getting a little bit better of these. Here we go. Suffix. Sound. Meaning. And I'll help you with that. It means full of. Suffix. Sound. Should have said Lee. Meaning. In a way that is. Suffix. Sound. Making that E sound. Meaning. Full of. Suffix. Yep, you should have said ES, sound. There you go. As, meaning. More than one or somebody else. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at that word review. So with that suffix full, which means full of, we could say, for example, helpful, which would mean full of help. Or I could say careful, which would mean full of care. So that base word again would be help, or with the word careful would be care. Lee, meaning in a way that is. So gladly meaning we're doing it in a way that is like glad. So we must be happy as we're doing it. Adding that Y, that E sound is scratchy, so it's full of scratch. Or we could say messy with the Y at the end. That means it's full of like a mess. It's very messable. All right, the ES, that S sound, more than one or somebody else. So we could talk about kisses, or we could say the word dishes, right? Dishes could mean more than one dish, or we could be talking about somebody else's dishes. Like I could say, for example, Audrey helped her mom do the dishes. So she was talking about her mom's dishes. All right, that irregular word. All right, today's the last day we're going to spell it out, and then we will be doing, tomorrow we just get to read the words, which is fun. All right, here we go. My turn. Enough. Your turn. Spell enough. Nice job. My turn. Together. Your turn. All right, let's jump up and down for this one. Let's get some energy out. All right, push in your chair, stand up to the sides at your computer, or if you don't feel like jumping, you could do something different like clapping or something else. All right, here we go. Spell together. All right, good job. My turn. Watched. Your turn. All right, get those binoculars out. Pretend you were watching something. Now, if I see the ED, that means it happened in the past, right? Watched would be like yesterday. I watched the baby birds get fed in the nest by their mother. All right, let's go ahead and in a whisper voice spell watched. Nice job. My turn. There. Your turn. All right. I'd like you in a big giant voice to spell there. Nice job. My turn. Kind. Your turn. In a little mouse voice, spell kind. My turn. Mother. Your turn. All right, let's go ahead and clap out with our hands. Get your clappers ready. We're going to clap out and spell mother. Spell mother. Good job. My turn. Loved. Your turn. In a robot voice, spell loved. Good job. My turn. Built. Your turn. All right, get your snappers ready. Snap those fingers, or if you can't snap, you can clap. Do something else. Spell built. My turn. Everywhere. Your turn. All right, I'd like you to go ahead. This is a longer word. I want to get some wiggles out while I do this one. So let's stand up and do some arm circles for everywhere, okay? So get a second, get your up on your feet. All right, make sure you've got some space with your arms so you're not going to hit anything. And let's go ahead and spell out everywhere. Do a little arm circle or a big arm circle with each letter. Here we go. Spell everywhere. Ooh, that was a long one. All right, here we go. My turn. Taught. Your turn. All right, let's pretend again like we're a teacher and we're teaching the word taught. So pretend your pen is up in the air. You're ready to write. You're going to write the word taught on the whiteboard. All right, here we go. Spell taught. Awesome, good job. My turn. Walk. Your turn. All right, go ahead and pretend you're walking along. You've got your fingers, put them out on your hand. You're walking along the street with each letter. Take a little walk with your fingers. Spell walk. My turn. Water. Your turn. All right, look at that water. It's whooshing down the river. Get ready to make some waves with your hands and spell water. Spell water. Oh, I don't need a turn. Let's do some sounds. Sound. We should be an oi. Sound. Again, that should be oi. Those were the new ones this week. Sound. Again, sound. All right, you should have done aw and ah for both of those. Sound. 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 All right, here we go. We are on day 4. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Good job. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Good job. Word. That should have been grew. Sound. Sound. Blend. All right, that's our first syllable. X. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. There's our second syllable. Peck. Sound. So it could be d, t, or ed. Let's blend it together and see. We've got X, peck, dead. Oh, it makes the ed sound. Expected. Good job. Here we go. Last word. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Sound. Now, a lot of times I think that makes the ya, but at the end of the word, it sometimes can make the e sound. So it could say Bia or B? So this is this Abby or Abby. Well, there's no bossy E, but that doesn't matter because sometimes, unfortunately, it breaks the rules. So if Babby doesn't make sense, and I'm like, oh, it's baby. All right, let's clap it out. How many syllables? Baby. All right, you got it. 2 syllables right between the A and the B. You rock, first graders. Great job.